to manage files and folders on your device. So open a web browser like this and type your device's IP address. In my case, it's LunaF, which is 192.168.20.170, followed by the port number 8080. This will open the file browser interface where you can access to the folders and files stored on your device. The file browser provides you two different access levels, admin and user. They have different rights. Okay, so let's start with admin. Username is admin and password is admin as well. Click on login. Let's go to device settings of your LunaF. So when we click it, we can see that we can download it, we can upload it, we can delete it, we can create a copy of the same settings file, or we can rename it. So let's go to the NPM200 this time, and let's check user level. Username is user and password is user as well. User level has less rights compared to admin level. Again, settings of the device. Let's say settings of my NPM200. When I click it, you can see that this part is missing where I had my download, upload, copy, delete, and rename features on the admin side. So the next thing is the settings of my file browser. So when I go here, I have my settings. Here you can hide the file extensions or open files or folders with single click. You can also change the language of your file browser, or you can change the password of your admin or user level.